In this tutorial, we're back at Meteor and I'm going to show you how you can remove a position. In the last tutorial, in case you missed it, make sure you go and watch it now though, we added $97.41 worth of WIF and SOL to a liquidity position. So let's find that and go from there. So here we are at app.meteor.ag. We add it into the dynamic pools. So we'll click on dynamic pools and then here we can see it has loaded. We'll click on WIF and SOL and our deposit is worth $89.01. If we click back on pools, we can see it says $92.41. So there's clearly some sort of delay between this and this to actually show how much we've earned. Now the yield is fairly decent, but nothing crazy, 23% based on 1 year. However, due to various reasons, after 11 days, our deposit is worth less. So we can click on withdraw now if we want to withdraw it out, then click max, and this is the amount of WIF and SOL that we will take out of the liquidity pool. Now there's a couple of reasons why this wouldn't have performed well. One, the price of WIF has decreased. SOL price is probably slightly down as well. But also, the liquidity provider fee for this liquidity pool is 4%. So we wouldn't have received a lot of volume through this pool. And as you can see, in the last 24 hours, it's earned $380 off almost $10,000 worth of volume, but there's $584,000 worth of actual TVL. So for me, this was not the best choice of liquidity pool. So what we'll do is we're going to withdraw it all. If you did want to deposit more into this pool and you wanted to use the swap mechanism, this will swap directly within the pool. If you did want to deposit more into the liquidity pool, don't use the swap feature here if you wanted to say, take some SOL and get some more WIF. Just because this is a 4% fee and you're best off going down to Jupiter, down here, and actually doing another route where it's a lower fee. However, what we're going to do is we're going to withdraw it. Max, and then click withdraw, and Backpack opens up. We can see we've got some WIF back and also some SOL. We'll approve, and that transaction is complete. Now, the way a Meteor pool works is any liquidity fees that are actually earned, it's deposited straight back into the liquidity position. So if you do manage to find a pool which gets a lot of volume, then what can happen is you can withdraw a lot more than what you put in. But of course, you have to be quite accurate with timing and things like that. We're going to go back to pools now, and we're going to go with WIF and SOL again, but I'm going to look for a pool that has a lower fee. So we'll type in WIF. We've got WIF and SOL. This is the pool that we're just in. We also have some WIF and USDC. That's earning a higher APY. We have this pool as well, but it's not earning as much. I can't see the fee deposit unless I actually click on a pool. So I have to click on this pool to then see the liquidity provider fee. Here it's 1%. It's not too bad. Having said that, the actual yield earned has not been too crazy. For a meme coin, this is not really optimal because with the previous tutorial in Raydium, we were earning over 100% with SOL and USDC. So with WIF and USDC, my goal would be to enter and actually earn more. So we'll keep it here for this tutorial, and in another tutorial, we'll start to dive into vaults, farms, and DLMMs. I'll catch you in those tutorials.